All right. Testing. This is a test for my new microphone because the old microphone went out. And I tested it in the house, but now I need to test the wind because I know how GoPro is. You get the wind and you get all the crackling. So I want to make sure there's no crackling on my video while I ride. It's perfectly fine when I did my test in my bedroom. But I remember the whole reason I had to buy all this special setup with the GoPro was because the mic had all this crackling. So here is the test. Let's ride. All right. Fingers crossed, no crackling. No crackling, baby. Let's go. All right. Don't need to really go far, but who knows? Boy. Getting ready for that 500-mile trip tomorrow. Well, 1,000-mile trip, I guess you could say, if you say there and back. 1,000-mile trip. All right. Just want to make sure I got no crackling, no crackle. Of course, we got the school traffic right here. Right, y'all? Wait a minute. No way. Deja just sent us that.
Scooby-Doo, where are you? Searching for snacks so all the ghost carries through. Shaggy's freaking out, Fred's got no plan, but Scooby's just munching like...
Such a small world, man. Everything's a small world up in this mother. How's that possible? How is that even possible? That she just seen that for the first time yesterday and now I see it. So what that's telling me is whoever that is with that van just really popped up in Memphis with it. I wonder, should I tuck this volume in or not? I'm not sure it matters. And to be honest with you, I think that being crimped might have been part of the problem. So I'm thinking that I'm not going to tuck it. I'm thinking that I'm not going to tuck it. I just hate for it to get wet, but I think not tucking it is a good move. So let's see. Could have went up in there, because I don't need to go that far. I just want to test it. Where are you going? Coming behind me. Make sure I got no crackle. Dang!